Hi friends, welcome to Elementary Brothers. Today we will discuss about electrostatics. This is useful for IIT, JEE Mains and JEE Advanced. First, what is meant by electrostatics? What is meant by electrostatics? The study of electricity is called electrostatics. First, we take a atom. We take an atom. Atom contains proton, neutron, and electrons. And not in the orbital, in the outer, the electrons was rotating, and inside the electrons, in the path, inside of the path of the electrons, they represent nucleus. Means nucleus equal to proton plus neutron. Proton plus neutron equal to nucleus, and electrons plus electrons, proton, neutrons is called an atom. What is the charges? Electron minus proton plus neutron neutral. Neutron neutral, proton positive, electron negative. This is the charges of the three. Okay friends, if take a body that contains so many atoms, if that body contains 20 protons, example, and 10 electrons and neutron any. Here you can observe the proton is more than the electron, means the charge of this body is positive. If the body contains high neutrons, means this body is neutral charge. One neutron equal to equal number of protons and neutrons. Neutron equal to equal number of protons and electrons. And if you want to distribute the charges from one body to each other, the only electrons will transfer, no neutrons and no protons are transferred, because they are present in the nucleus. We can transfer charges from the nucleus. We only charge from this outermost orbit. Okay friends. Next, this is the charges. And what is the mode of transmission of electricity? Means three types. One is three types, and one is charging by induction. Charging by induction. This charging by induction means without contact. Point number one. Without any contact. In this charging by induction, there will no charges will be loose. Not loose by anybody. And in this way, if first example, take a positive glass rod and take a neutral metallic sphere, means that contains plus or minus. If you keep near to this neutral sphere, this positive attracts negative charges and the positive will be this side. If you connect to the earth, the all positive charges will disappear and the neutral metallic sphere converts to negative metallic sphere. Means here you can understand unlike charges attract and like charges repel each other. This is the charging by induction. Without contact and no charges can be loose. If you keep near and take away, the neutral sphere be neutral. Means when the charge will change means when we connect it to the earth, that will changes the charge. Okay, this one is completed. Charging by induction is completed. Next, charging by now second one is charging by conduction. Charging by conduction. What is meant by charging conduction? This is some opposite to the induction. First point is with contact. With contact, the charges will transfer from one body to another body. If you want 10 rupees and I want 2 rupees, 2 rupee coins, you want 10 rupees. I have 10 rupees and you have 2 rupees. We can both exchange. Means two bodies, one body want positive and another body want negative. They can share and they can carry. Charging by induction was applied by only with contact. With contact, charging by induction. When we do the charging by conduction, only we can do with contact. And charging by conduction means this one only. Next, charging, very important, charging by friction. You know, friction means rubbing two bodies each other. In this, same with contact. With contact, rub each other. If you charge by friction, the two bodies accuse opposite charges. Opposite charges. Opposite charges. This is the three main points of the charging by friction. Take an example. Take a two negative bodies. One is rod and another is any silk cloth, anything, a cloth, and rub to each other. After rubbing, both are neutral. Both are neutral. If we rub, the rod will accuse positive and the cloth will accuse negative. Or glass rod negative, this rod is negative, this is positive. Means that they accuse only opposite charges, not same charges. Means this negatives and this negatives also combine each other, and this positive also combine each other. Then they can form that. Next, some main points was what is the main value 1.6 into 10 power minus 19. This is the main value in this is used for the formula of Q equal to Ne. And the charge Q means charge. Q means charge and N means number of electrons. E means electron. Means E means this value 1.6 into 10 power minus 19. This is the main value in this electrostatic. And next, what is the unit of Q? Means charge. SI unit equal to coulomb. And other units start coulomb. Other units start coulomb, and biggest one is Faraday. 1 Faraday equal to 965 double or triple zeros coulombs. This is the biggest value of biggest unit of charge, and smallest Franklin. The both Franklin and start coulomb are equal. Means the smallest unit is star coulomb or Franklin. These are also called ESU. ESU, smallest and biggest units. And the another main was 1 coulomb equal to number of electrons. 1 coulomb equal to 6.25 into 10 power 18. How this value was obtained means 1 by E means 1.6 into 10 power minus 19. If you simplify this value, that can obtain 6.25 into 10 power 18. This is the 1 coulomb equal to, this is the main value. 1 coulomb equal to this value. If they ask 2 coulombs equal to means 2 into this value. Okay friends, this is about electrostatics and types of charging the bodies. Thank you. Please subscribe.